Hello mga ka-Hobbiters! Welcome back sa YouTube channel natin. I am Hobbiter Ralph and for today, we are going to deal with this extra math challenge question. And yung problem natin today mga ka-Hobbiters is find the sum of the real solutions of the quantity of x minus 2021 over 2022 raised to the power of x squared plus x equals 1. So, etong problem na to mga ka-Hobbiters is makikita natin ito sa mga math competition, lalo na sa MTOP, sa mga Festival of Talents and sa Math Olympiad. Okay, paano ba natin ito masasolve mga ka-Hobbiters? Okay, so to solve this mga ka-Hobbiters, meron tayong tatlong cases. So yung first case, case number 1, kailangan nating i-treat na yung exponent natin is 0 and yung base natin is any number but except 0. Kasi, any number mga ka-Hobbiters raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1 but n is not equal to 0 dapat. So, lahat ng number except 0 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, ngayon mga ka-Hobbiters, itong exponent natin, kailangan nating i-equate by 0. So, we have x squared plus x is equal to 0. So, to find the value of x, pwede nating i-factor natin itong mga ka-Hobbiters. So, it is equal to x multiplied by x plus 1 equals to 0. And by zero product property, so pwede nating ihiwalay itong mga ka-Hobbiters. Yung factors natin, equate natin by 0. So, we have x is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0 din. And ito na yung first natin na real solution. And yung second solution natin is x is equal to 0. So, subtract muna tayo both sides by 1. So, x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. So, x, 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. And 0 minus 1, that is equal to negative 1. So, ito yung second real solution natin mga ka-Hobbiters. So, for the case 1, meron na tayong nakuwang dalawang solution or dalawang real solution. So, the first solution is 0 and the second solution is negative 1. Ayan. So, ngayon mga ka-Hobbiters, meron tayong second case. Second case natin is, okay, kung gusto niyong i-copy yun mga ka-Hobbiters, pwede niyong i-pause yung video. So, case number 2. Ayan. Case number 2. So, para yung sa exponential, sa mga exponent mga Hobbiters, para maging 1 yung result natin, yung second natin gagawin is i-treat natin yung base natin as equal to 1, tapos yung exponent natin is any number kasi 1 raised to any number, that is equal to 1 naman. Okay, so ngayon, etong base natin, equate natin yan by 1. So, x minus 2021 over 2022 is equal to 1. And to get the value of x, i-cross multiply natin or multiply natin both sides by 2022. So, multiply natin by 2022. So, kung i-multiply natin ito by 2022 mga ka-Hobbiters, makakancel na tong denominator and yung 2022. So, yung maiiwan na lang dito sa left side is x minus 2021. And dito naman sa right side is 1 multiplied by 2022 is 2022. And to get the value of x mga ka-Hobbiters, we need to add both sides by 2021 para makancel na yung negative 2021 dito. So we have x minus 2021 plus 2021 equals 2022 plus 2021. So cancel na to mga ka-Hobbiters kasi negative and positive, 0 na yan. So x is equal to 2022 plus 2021 is equal to 4,043. And this is our third real third real solution mga kahabiters. So, lagay natin dito. 4,043. So, for the case 2, meron tayong nakuhang isang real solution. Ngayon mga kahabiters, for the case 3, okay, meron pa tayong case 3. Okay, again, if gusto nyong i-copy yung sinulat ko kanina mga kahabiters, pwede nyong i-pause yung video. So, for case 3, ganito mga kahabiters, i-treat natin yung base natin equal to -1. Pero yung exponent dapat natin mga kahabiters is even. Kasi kapag add yan, -1 raised to the power of add is equal to -1 kasi. So that means, that's why yung exponent dapat natin is even. Or -1 raised to the power of n is equal to 1, is equal to 1 if n is even. If n is an element of even integers. So, dapat even yung ano natin dito. Ngayon mga kahabiters, kung etong x squared plus x na exponent natin mga kahabiters, kahit pa anong integer yung ilagay natin dito, kahit pa anong integer yung ilagay natin dito mga kahabiters, positive integers, yung result natin dito is always equal to even integer. For example, let's say 5. 5 squared, that is equal to 25. Plus 5, 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. And 30 is an even number. So kahit paano yung positive integer na ilagay natin dito, the result is always equivalent to even number. So, -1 raised to even is equal to +1. So, pwede siya mga kahabiters. So, yung gagawin na lang natin is, equate natin yung base natin, which is equal to -1. So, we have x minus 2021 over 2022 is equal to -1. And para ma-solve natin yung x mga kahabiters, multiply natin both sides by 2022. Para matanggal yung 2022 dito. So, makakancel na itong 2022 if i-multiply natin dito mga kahabiters. So, yung maiiwan na lang sa left side is equal to x minus 2021 is equal to -1 multiplied by 2022, that is equal to -1 multiplied by 2022 is equal to -2022. And para ma-solve natin yung x, kailangan natin mag-add both sides by 2021. So, x minus 2021 plus 2021 is equal to -2022 plus 2021. So, matatanggal na ito mga kahabiters kasi -2021 plus 2021 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to -2022 plus 2021. That is equal to -1. So, that means our fourth real solution is -1 din. Same sa second real solution natin. So, may nakuha tayong isang real solution sa case 3 natin. Ngayon, balik tayo sa problem. Okay, erase natin ito mga kahabiters. Balik tayo dito sa problem. Kasi, we are asked to find the sum of the real solution of the given equation. So, the first equation is 0, kasi x sub 1 is 0. The second equation is -1. The first solution is 0. The second solution is -1. The third solution is 4,043. And the fourth real solution is also -1. So, if i-add natin ito mga kahabiters, 0 plus -1 plus 4,043 plus -1, the result is -1 plus -1 is -2. Kapag i-add natin yan sa 4,043, the result is 4,041. And that's it. That's the final answer mga kahabiters. So, kung may natutunan kayo mga kahabiters, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell na din sa YouTube channel namin, The Hobbiters on Extra Math Challenge. And for more updates, please follow us on Facebook, The Hobbiters on Extra Math Challenge, The Walking Board. Again, I am Hobbiter Ralph, and that's all for today. See you on our next video. Stay negative sa COVID.